Your Honda belt has reached the end of its travel. You can see it on the tenters at the end. Your belt is flapping around. That's a pretty good shot right there. Watch. When the AC compressor kicks on, puts a load on it, look at that belt flapping around. And if you're wondering what's the mileage on the Civic with the original Honda belt, 163,900 kilometers. That's basically about 100,000 miles for you guys in the US. So yeah, just to show you, I took the belt off. Here's the tensioner, and what I'm pointing at is there's a mark here for the tensioner that lines up with these two, I guess rectangular shapes. So basically at the end here, it's fully extended, so it's not putting any more tension on the belt. As you can see from before, that position has not changed even with the belt off. So this does cause like a rattling noise under, say, where your AC compressor kicks on, or under acceleration, and makes like a rattling noise. And this is a 9th gen Civic, but on the 8th gen, if you have a loose belt, basically the computer thinks that you're having a misfire, and at around 2,000 RPM, it will start shutting off injectors, and it'll run really rough, especially on the highway too, and people come in for that. And yeah, basically they either have a belt that's completely worn, or they put an aftermarket belt that's slightly too long. And this is what causes that I guess ghost misfire or something, and then computer thinks that's having misfire because it's the crank is speeding up and slowing down because the belt's just loose. And then the computer starts shutting injectors off, and it makes it start running rough. It's nothing to do with your ignition system or fuel injection or compression or whatever, and people can't really figure that out. And on the 8th gen, it's just a loose belt. All right, so with a new belt now, you can see how far that tensioner is up there. And if you're starting to hear a rattling noise, just take a look, see where your tensioner is at, and then all you need is a belt. Don't need to replace the tensioner because these tensioners are pretty solid. You just need to replace the belt. Unless that little hydraulic tensioner on the back there is leaking, which is like a little piston in there, right there, right? If it's leaking, then you got to replace it. But this one's not leaking, so all it needs is just the belt. Okay, so that's with the new belt, and it's running. And let's wait till the AC compressor kicks on. And it kicked on. No more flapping around of that drive belt. So just a simple belt replacement causing the noise.